Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razors, Gardening, Cooking, and Canning for our growth update. And straight to the raspberry bushes that are still flowering. It's going to be a high of 19 today. Yes, not even 20, not even room temperature. And pretty well cloudy. It's going to be a chilly spring day. Not into the summer yet. Jeez, I can just see the mosquitoes coming up from me walking on the ground. Wonderful. Here's our potato plant in the compost pile. Just a crazy amount of plant. And our flowers continue to bloom along the fence. Another one's going to burst today. And this one here. Yeah. As well as this one. Now this pepper plant here, look at it go. Now, what is it? It's almost at the top of the basket. And this one, still down below, taking its time. Soil's the same. Pot's pretty well the same. Different kind of plant though, different kind of pepper. Look at it. Well, that's why you plant different types. These, this tomato plant's about ready to burst out of the top. And, 6 of these. I thought it was only 5 of them. Oh, look at that. And here's our pepper plants. Now they're all starting to do their flowering. And our little sunflower. And our other one got attacked by the critter. Look at that. Seed didn't even take. Well, let's go down the line to our peonies. Yes. Well, let's look at our beans, shall we? The south side beans are struggling when they're not being attacked straight out of the ground like these poor fellas. Well, let's just keep planting. Some of the older ones will grow. Like this, like that. Just gotta keep feeding them. Now our corn potatoes are doing great. Now that they finally sprouted. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, let's look at these peas. buds starting? No? Well, the potatoes and smaller plants, the seed potatoes that I purchased this year, and the larger plants, the green potatoes from last year. I think next to the compost pile, this is our biggest potato plant. Oh, look, pea flower. Yeah. Oh. Onion patch coming along. Our kale ready to go to seed. Now there's more kale planted. It's just taking its sweet time coming up. Dill alley. Now for our carrots. Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to get in there and thin those soon. Now our squashes. Squashes are sneaky. Once they start bearing fruit with their leaf cover, you can look and look and look and you think you've seen all the squashes. Then you come by a couple of days later and there's a giant squash. How did that giant squash get there? Because they snuck it past you. Giant squashes, okay for making bread. You gotta grill them right away. Bigger they get, woodier they get. You get them nice and young, nice and small. You can actually make some decent pickles. I made some bread and butter pickles with those before. I'm gonna try that again this year. Well, the squash is doing fantastic. You guys, that's some strange going on here. What is that? Huh. Okay. Our other squash and the peas. Come on, peas. Some of the vines are getting it. Hey. Well, they'll eventually grab. Wow. So a lot of these are reseeds because they weren't coming up. So I kept reseeding. Wonderful. That's all right. It'll be mayhem. Absolute freaking mayhem. Okay, well, let us make our way to the front. Wow. In another month, this will be even more green. All right, let's go to the front. Stop dicking around. And here we are at the front. Here's a sunflower. Another sunflower. And you. Another sunflower. A couple more squashes over here. And another squash there. Just check our pumpkin in the back. Still coming along. vegetables coming along just great. Oh, look at you. I think we're going to be driving some steaks in here. Usually do the stake climbing for the squashes. And give the sunflowers a chance before they start climbing the stakes. Yes, our morning glories have now breached the top of the stoop. You can now see them past the stoop. Not even summer yet. And they are a quarter of the way to the roof. And our bird shit berry bush. Wow. Like for trees, those would be sappers, right? But look at them. There's just all kinds of them growing out. Super tall. You can really tell I gave that bush some food this year. Let's go in closer for a look. Like even just look at the amount of berries. Getting ready to... Oh man, the birds are gonna hate me chasing them away all the time, keeping these berries for myself. Well, this has been Occam's Razor's garden. Cooking and canning will come later. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.